What's up, guys? Jordan here from Show Me Vegas, and hey, what I'm about to show you has been seen by very few people. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, not a lot of people have seen it. This is a 2-bedroom suite at Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino. It's on the 61st floor. It's a 2-bedroom penthouse suite, room 61308. Let's go have a look. Mandalay Bay's penthouse suites are primarily on the 61st and 62nd floors, and this one is insane. You're not going to find this one on the website, or at least I haven't been able to. This is a 2-bedroom penthouse suite. It occupies more than 2,000 square feet of space with plenty of room to entertain. You can see here a cozy second living room, and there's also a dining table that seats 8. The bedroom on this end is the secondary bedroom. You'll see why in a minute, but still a really nice size with a large TV, its own closet, and of course an ensuite bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom features a double vanity, a large walk-in shower, and a separate tub. A dedicated water closet, and of course a TV in the mirror. Here's a closer look at that second living room. A great place to hang out with, I don't know, 6 or 8 of your closest friends. In the mood to entertain? Well, let's see how many people this suite will seat in just the living areas alone.
In case you weren't counting, that is 29, wait, forgot one, 30 seats in the living area of the suite.
The bar features 4 bar stools and a TV, and then of course a fridge for your own use, as well as the dreaded mini bar. Just across the front door from the bar, you'll find a half bathroom for your guests. In the corner there's a desk with a window view, and then it's on into the master bedroom. This bedroom is a little bit smaller than the other one, but cozier, and you'll see why it's the master whenever we get into the bathroom. This bathroom is awesome. It again has your double vanity, but there's this massive shower that's got a bathtub contained within. A shower tower with body jets, and of course, what high-end suite bathroom would be complete without the steam feature? Even still, we weren't fully convinced this was the master until we saw the high-end toiletries on this side. The other side only had the standard hotel amenities. Again, this bathroom has your private water closet, and then on this side you've got not one, not 2, but 3 closets with plenty of hangers, nice ones at that. So that's a tour of the coolest room we've ever stayed in, the 2-bedroom penthouse at Mandalay Bay. If you stay at any of the penthouse suites at Mandalay Bay, you have access to the VIP lounge. That'll get you a private check-in, all the coffee, beer, soda, water, drinks that you can handle during the daytime. An awesome stay, an awesome experience. We actually made a video about our entire stay at Mandalay Bay. It's out there on the channel. We really like that one, so go back and check that one out. And while you're out there, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button on this video and all of our videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of them in the future.